Hello friends, welcome once again. In this new video, we discuss about the Euler's modified method. Friends, in the previous videos, we have seen how we solve the first order differential equation with initial conditions by using Euler's method. We solve the first order differential equation with initial conditions by using Euler's method. Now, the first order differential equation is dy by dx equal to f of x comma y, and at the initial points y equal to y0, x equal to x equal to f of x comma y. This is the very important point in this method. Now we integrate this equation for xi to xi plus 1 between these 2 points. At the point xi, the value of independent variable is yi and yi plus 1. So dy by dx equal to y dash. Integrate this. Integration from xi to xi plus y, dy by dx into dx equal to integration of y dash between the limit xi to xi plus 1. So dx will be cancelled and we get dy. The integration is converted into y. When it is converted into y, points will be changed. So we get yi to yi plus 1 of dy, integration xi to xi plus 1 into y dash dx. Integration of dy is y, and between the limit yi to yi plus 1, integration xi to xi plus 1 y dash into dx. So upper limit minus lower limit, and directly we can write this as upper limit yi plus 1 minus yi. So let us write this yi to right side and we get integration xi to xi plus 1 y dash into dx. Let us call it as equation number 1. Now friend, we known about the trapezoidal rule. What is trapezoidal rule? Integration from x0 to x0 plus nh of y equal to h into 1 by 2 y0 plus yn plus y1 plus y2 plus yn minus 1. So this is the trapezoidal rule. We apply this trapezoidal rule to solve the right hand side integration. Integration xi to xi plus 1 of y dash into dx equal to, so we have only 2 points, therefore all the intermediate points y1, y2, yn will not be in the expansion of the trapezoidal rule, and we get here h into 1 by 2 into yi plus 1, and this is about the dash point. So this is new variable. Let us put this value in equation 1, and we have yi plus 1 equal to yi plus h divided by 2 into yi dash plus yi plus 1 dash. But what is a y dash? Y dash is f of x comma y. So yi dash equal to h by 2 f of xi comma yi plus f of xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1 plus some error yi plus 1. Now due to the approximation, we remove the error and we get the equation yi plus 1 equal to yi plus h by 2 of into f of x comma y xi comma yi plus f of xi plus 1 comma yi plus 1. So this is the method. Now in this method, to initiate this method, we need this value of yi, and to calculate this yi, we use the Euler's unmodified method. This yi we calculate unmodified method. we need unmodified method to initiate this value yi. Okay, now this is known as the Euler's modified method. So the successive approximation is carried out up to the no significant change in the value of yi plus 1. So how many times we have to iterate or repeat this process? That means whenever whenever there is a no change, no significant change, whenever there is a no significant change after the iteration in the value of yi plus 1, then we will stop. Otherwise, we will continue to repeat the process of iterations. Okay, friends. So this is about the Euler's modified method. Thank you, friend. Thank you for